from the Cuicapeuhcayotl Codex, Cantares Mexicanos, which contains 92 songs in the Nahuatl language. The first page describes a singer searching for psychoactive flowers to reach Xochitlalpan. Venturing into the Cuautla forest, they encounter the Tzinitzcan Tzinitzcan, known in English as the mountain trago. This bird lives near the water, and its feathers are glistening green, radiant white, and chilly red. Hence, it is named Tzinitzcan, and its feathers are considered especially precious. They mirror the colors of modern Mexican flag, as well as those of Quetzal and hummingbird Hootsie.